Okay, everybody, we are going to be grading page 102 and 103 today in Vocabulary Workshop. So get your book out, get a grading pen or pencil out, make sure it's not the same color or item that you wrote with initially. And again, just make sure that you are marking things wrong when they are wrong and giving me an accurate grade. So, number one, to judge an action as wrong is to A. Condemn. And just like when we were in class, make sure you're writing the words in the blank. Number two, new rooms will expand. B. The museum's exhibit space. Three, something that is hunted is called prey. Now, I know we don't have a spelling test on this one this time, but make sure you notice that prey, as in an animal that's being hunted, is spelled differently than when you're talking to God, pray. All right, 4. An object that you can pick up and carry with you could be described as portable. That was letter C. Portable. All right, hope we can see the whole thing on here. 5. A serious food shortage might be called a famine. Famine, that was D. 6. To put an end to something is to abolish it, which was letter B. Number 7. Something that attracts is said to have appeal. Appeal, which was letter A. Number 8. A ruler who does not share power is a dictator. We've read about one or two of those. That's an O. So letter C, dictator. Number 9, an object that snaps easily is said to be brittle. If you think of peanut brittle, you just crack it. It's very hard and crunchy. Brittle. All right, a visual experience is one that has to do with sight, visual. All right, number 11, to move downward, visual was D. To move downward is to descend. If you're going down in an elevator, you are descending. I'm having a little issue here, getting this last one on here. All right, last one. A person who looks for bargains is thrifty. Letter A, thrifty. All right, so now up at the top of your paper, however many you got correct, over 12, and box it for me. And then we're going to scoot over here to page 103 and go ahead and grade that one too. Okay, now this is synonyms on the top, so words that are similar. A movable television is portable, letter B. And of course, you should have the word written over here on this handy line. Reported on the terrible scarcity. So scarcity, synonym is famine, which was letter D. A powerful and selfish tyrant, dictator. Makes me think of King George. Plead for help is an appeal. Letter C. Visible proof of the break-in. Visual. Letter A. Oops, spelled that wrong. Turned stiff by the cold. Brittle. Letter A. All right, now I got to change my thinking around and start thinking opposite. So antonyms, shrink the size of the project. The opposite would be A, expand. Tract the predator, opposite of predator is prey. Restore the tax on medicine, abolish. Praised the decision, the opposite, condemned the decision. A wasteful consumer, opposite, a thrifty consumer. Ascend the mountain, the opposite of ascend is descend, which was letter B. All right, so again up here at the top, however many you got correct over 12, go ahead and box it in for me. And after we've graded all of the pages in here, I'll ask you to send me a picture, but you don't have to do that yet. Everybody have a good day. Bye.